morning. Last class we have seen Coulomb's law. Okay, that means force between two charges. Now we are going to see what's meant by electric field. After that, what's meant by electric field intensity. Okay, before that you should know what's meant by a field. What's meant by a field, normal field. I give one simple example. You might have noticed in your street, some street dogs will be there. Okay, if some new person is entering or some new dog from some other street is entering, then it will start barking and it will chase. Okay, up to certain area only. It has its own territory. It has its own territory. Up to that level, it will bark, and if that person or if that next street dog crosses, then it will return. That means it has its own territory. Okay, just like a magnet is there, North Pole, South Pole. Okay, magnet. Now you are bringing some this plastic material. Okay, you are bringing some plastic material, and you cannot identify whether there is a magnet or not. You cannot feel any attraction or repulsion. You are bringing a plastic material like this. Okay, you cannot feel anything. But if you bring another magnet or some iron rod, okay, then here from this position you are bringing. Okay, you are bringing like this. You may be feeling attraction. Okay, if it is a magnet, or repulsion due to the depends upon the polarity. Okay, here you are not feeling anything. Now here you feel little attraction. Okay, and that means you can identify the magnetic effect is there, and here you find more attraction. Here if you bring, then it may attract or it may repel. Okay, more with a more force. Okay, that means a magnet can influence another magnet or some iron only. It cannot influence any magnetic field on plastic material. Okay, just like a magnet influences another magnet only. Just like a electric charge influences its own field. That is called electric field. Okay, electric charge Q influences its own electric field. Just like light has light field, magnet has magnetic field, earth has gravitational field. Okay, gravitational field you might have studied in the +1. Just like electric charge has electric field. And how can you feel that field? Okay, how can you feel that electric field? For that you have to bring some unit charge, unit positive charge. Okay, assume one positive charge here. Okay, and let it be Q. Now you are bringing some unit positive charge here. Okay, then you can feel some attraction or repulsion, depends upon this polarity. Okay, now this is the electric field area. Here means if it is the strength, okay, if it has a very strengthful electric charge, then you can feel electric field here, just like a magnet, big magnet or small magnet. And we are giving that formula, electric field E equal to F by R. F already you studied, F equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R squared. And this unit vector you can put or you no need, okay, for time being. Okay, now this is the force, that means Coulomb force. Here electric field mean it is for single charge only. Okay, therefore F, the same Coulomb's force F, and divided by this charge. Okay, F is force between two charges. Now you can substitute this F value for these two charges. I'll explain this arrow little later. Okay, now you can substitute this F for these two charges. That means 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, that is K value, and Q by R squared into Q naught. That means F value I have substituted. Okay, that means two charges. Q1, Q2 means two charges. Therefore Q is one charge and this Q0 is another charge. Therefore Q0 I substituted. Now divided by this Q0. Therefore Q0. Now this will cancel. Okay. Now force is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity because it has a direction. Now here also electric field also have a direction. Therefore this equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. You can put r also. Okay. Okay. Now this is your electric field. Okay. Therefore electric field is a vector quantity. Now I'll come to this. Okay. If it is a positive means it will be outwards. If it is a negative means it is inwards. Okay. Just like if you have a lot of money, okay, in your pocket, then you can donate. You can donate. That means money flows outside. Okay, outwards. Therefore, it is outwards. If you don't have money, then you have to ask, or somebody has to give money to you. That means negative. That means it has to come. Okay, that is a simple example you can think. Now, electric field, this is the formula. Now, what is the formula related to this directly? Therefore, F equal to Q0 E. Both are vector quantity. And E is, electric field is not depending on Q0. That means, Q I told you, this Q0 is a positive test charge only. It should not influence this. It should not influence this. Okay. That means electric field depends on only this source charge. Okay, I am writing source charge. This is test charge. Okay, the electric field depends on only the source charge and it is not depending on the test charge. That is here. And the electric field depends upon 1 by r squared. That means when you go at long distance, electric field decreases just like a gravitational field. Okay, if you drop here, the force will be more, and if you are, when you have derived, I think, with altitude the gravitational force decreases, with the depth also the gravitational field decreases, gravitational force. Okay, this is the important concept for the electric field, intensity concept. Okay, intensity means what? The light has a intensity. If it's a 25 watt, that means it will produce less light. Okay, if it is 100 watt, it will produce more light. That is the intensity. Just like the intensity, electric field intensity, how much strength it has. The electric field depends upon the charge. If it is a more charge, okay, that means more coulomb is there, then it will produce more strength. That is the electric field intensity. Thank you. I will upload very difficult concept. These are all very simple concept. Therefore, you can easily understand. Therefore, I am not much focusing. Whatever is important, I am telling here. Thank you. Please put a comment what is required for you, and I will upload more problems. Thank you.